Yo, it's here for the welcome to Oda Daps Media. Say now your first time, me power subscribe to Oda Daps Media. We are hit bell no na the posti bibia ya be ma notification. Bese me che madwen kakra. E wo FannyFace ene ne namfofo miensan ya one omenya akasakasa ye ho asem no. FannyFace in real life your friend Benson na ya odro boaten. Ene ne namfofo miensan bako din your friend Calibos. In real life your friend Richard Kweku Asante. Ena Bismarck the joke. Also in real life your friend ni Bismarck ni Odoi. Ena ya nua Kumawood actor Lil Wayne. Also in real life your friend Kwadwo Nkansah. Yene nam social media ena Oda Daps yeko hu say FannyFace aye video bia okasa bitterly ena okasa out of emotion. Essay opese or expose ono ane namfofo miensan ewo enyoma bia omo ye etia no ho. Na wey no bi bebusa me say ade esembe na ekoso. Nsemsem ne FannyFace ehwegu ho ne de na emu yedru. From the way FannyFace ekasa no, un say emotionally ene mentally adena ahane pa. Na wey no bi bebusa me say edin ena ne namfofo miensan omaye no. According to yenua FannyFace na nkasana no or say the namfofo miensan omo very ungrateful na wabo omo pen na kwaye say no namfofo miensan omo kutia no. FannyFace ekusu ye more accusations eka say namfofo yi ese omebema no pressure saa no ewu eja ne man ho. We no bi bebusa me say na da ben na FannyFace ewo ye. Adia obianim fa FannyFace ho say the first marriage hated the rocks on the anye ye. But FannyFace essential or baby and then efa nyinsen and then wo a mom you know omoye twins. Na etiefo ne ahwefo nkwala ne de omoye fe papa. Enti ya ye nya based on audio on one FannyFace edito ne Instagram page and say ne wife na one ne wo nkwala minu no ono oba no one Lil Wayne etimi up ena all say ono FannyFace ema Lil Wayne se eye nukru se enye nukru etiefo ne ahwefo menemo de ye nim eye mere allegations ena eba ye nwa Calibos so a FannyFace say Calibos ye very ungrateful na Calibos one time ono FannyFace no wabwa Calibos pen but do baby no Calibos edane ne chima ono FannyFace ena de itwato ya yenua Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Wayne yenya ye waha ena Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Wayne per interview bia one Zion Felix eyeye Kwadwo Nkansah eka say FannyFace on deserve award na ye dia mana no na ye wo amanfo a omo acte omo ten ono FannyFace no no Kwadwo Nkansah no o feel say FannyFace onye actor no just a comedian. Etiefo ne ahwefo me the question me pese me busa yenua Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Wayne say obi a oye comedian no onye actor na akwaye say yenua Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Wayne ade ame hu won ho say se nyoma bi enko ne side a no ono de o pese o say no anaso obotugu bese me busa yenua Kwadwo Nkansah Lil Wayne ana etiefo bese mo che mo adwen se ede empa na Lil Wayne ope owiase etiefo ene ahwefo me pese ye back to yenua FannyFace so FannyFace me de ne videos na mahwe ni nyina me hu ne say emotionally no yenua ne all bre. This is the time the fans and then the family members it was say omo boa emotionally na otimi overcome de all komono. We na me nam FannyFace Instagram page and na me ko hu one comedian ye friend no Foster Romanus wakoye enyumbi efa FannyFace jargon no use no fem no ho etiefo na ahwefo media from my point of view no me feel say Sa Romanus nim no koye no ehu hia anka owo support bia or the best support on ninua FannyFace on supporting emotionally and spiritually. Me feel say enyum no koye no ebema enyoma aspice up ama FannyFace still now obekọ into depressive mood Ena etiefo ne ahwefo mo amonim say depression de enye adepa. Psychologically no yenua FannyFace eko enyomemo a ohia ye support ye mpaibo ena ewo say yetimi ekosra no ewo fie. Etiefo ene ahwefo ade a yen Udadap's media ye beka che FannyFace ne say man is stressing ho cry over things he cannot control and change. Please start making healthy choices, not choices that are just healthy for your body, but healthy for your mind. You can't control everything. Sometimes you just need to relax and have faith. Things will work out. Let go a little and just let life happen. God is in control. Brother, hang in there and remember your family and the entire nation of Ghana loves you. Se onsaka audio ya me pamocho munkai FannyFace e won paebom. Se wa also unim FannyFace no pacho ma onai titia e wo FannyFace efie. This is the time out yenua FannyFace ehia ye pa. Etiefo na hwefo se on subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Subscribe to Udadap's media na hania more current issues, any current affairs ekoso all around the world. We are hit bell no ne ye posti bibia ebe more notification. Me damase se mo ma sebre edi etie mi.